Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tik channel, where learning English is easy, fun, and full of smiles. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Paul. Hey, Anna, how are you today?
I'm great, Paul. I had a big cup of coffee. So I'm ready to talk. How about you?
I'm good too. I just finished walking my dog, Max. He's full of energy this morning.
Ah, that's so nice. Dogs always make mornings better. Okay, everyone. Today's topic is one of the most common questions you'll hear in English. Tell me about yourself.
Yes, this question is so important. You can use it at school, work, job interviews, English classes, or even when you meet a new friend.
Exactly. But sometimes it's a little difficult, right? You might think, what should I say about myself?
Don't worry, in today's episode, we'll show you how to answer this question easily, naturally, and confidently.
We'll also give you real examples, some fun phrases, and we'll even have a mini role play. So stay with us till the end.
And if you want to practice speaking English with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Okay, Paul, so let's start simple. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," what do they really mean?
Great question, Anna. They want to know who you are, your name, your job or studies, maybe your hobbies, and where you live.
That's right. You don't need to tell your whole life story, just the main things.
For example, you can use a simple structure like this. 1. Say your name. 2. Say what you do. 3. Say where you're from. 4. Say something about your hobbies or interests.
Perfect. Let's hear an example. Paul, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Here's a simple version. Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from London, England. I work as an English teacher. In my free time, I love playing guitar and cooking Italian food.
Wow, that's great. It's clear, short, and friendly. Let me try too. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Canada. I'm a content creator and English coach. I enjoy reading books, watching movies, and spending time with my cat.
Nice. See everyone? It's that easy.
You can also make it a little longer if you want to sound more natural. For example, Paul, what if you were in a job interview?
Ah, good one. Then I might say something like this. Hello, my name is Paul Smith. I'm from London. I've been teaching English for about 5 years. I really enjoy helping students improve their speaking skills. In my free time, I play guitar and love trying new recipes. I believe learning languages should be fun and interactive.
Excellent. Did you hear that? He added more details and some positive words like enjoy, love, and believe. That makes it sound friendly and confident.
Exactly. And Anna, sometimes people ask, should I include my age?
Good question. Usually, no. You don't need to say your age unless someone asks directly.
Right. You can just focus on what you do and what you like.
Okay. Let's do a fun example. Imagine we're at a party and we meet a new person.
Ooh, a party. I like it already.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. I don't think we've met. I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Paul. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. Well, I'm from Canada, but I live in Tokyo now. I work as an English coach. and I help people speak English more confidently. I really love learning about new cultures and trying different kinds of food. How about you?
That's awesome. I'm from England, and I teach English online. I love meeting new people and learning how they use English in their daily lives.